Welcome. In front of me is T tablet from T-Mobile, and today I will show you how you can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, you'll want to hold your power button, and then from the boot options, hold power off. This, as you can see, changes into reboot to safe mode. Now I'm going to click on OK, and you can do that right now, but before I do it, I'm going to quickly go over this message. So, do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. So, with that being said, now that I have read this, I'm going to quickly explain what this means. So, when you put your device into safe mode, only the pre-installed applications will function. Any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled. Now, this is done so you can troubleshoot your device, and it's for instance done with this idea that maybe you created an application or installed one that is malicious and it's causing you massive problems in the usability of the device. By putting your tablet into safe mode, this application wouldn't be able to cause you any kind of problems, and you can then safely get rid of it, as this application literally cannot run in safe mode, even if it wants to. So now that the device is back on, you can see we have a safe mode marking right here. I am gonna flip it. There we go. And you can see widgets will not work in this mode, and additionally the applications that won't work looks like are hidden in here, as I do believe there were some apps right here, so they do become completely invisible. I'm mentioning that because some other devices just make them monochrome and semi-transparent while still showing you what applications are on your home screen. But anyway, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, you can hold your power button again, and this time around select restart. When the device boots back up, it automatically boots into normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.